So in this video, I will show you the best antivirus app for your iPhone. First of all, go to your App Store and search for Avast. And now, as a search result, here you will find the official Avast security and privacy app. So this is the popular antivirus app for iPhone users. So all you have to need, go ahead and install this free app on your iPhone. And now open the Avast security app. And here tap on Get Started. And here I'm going to skip this option and tapping on Continue. And you can turn on notifications for Avast security. And now here we can see web protection is off, time to clean up. So you can install a cleaner for your iPhone. Now all you have to need, tap on Run Smart Scan. And here we can see my iPhone is scanning. It may take some moments to finish scan progress, so be patient in these steps. And here we can see two issues to resolve. Resolve the issue to improve your security. So tapping on Resolve. And here I have to enable Web Shield to browse more safely. So I'm going to tapping on Turn on, Next, Enable, Allow, and verifying my phone passcode. And here you can see I've successfully turned on Web Shield. Going back from here, and now also I have to enable Data Breach Monitoring. So I'm going to turning on from here, and here you have to add your email address and then enable the option. So that's how you can daily come to this Avast security app, and you can daily scan your iPhone by tapping on this scan option. And if your iPhone has any error issues or has any virus, then by scanning you will be able to easily find out the virus, and then you will be able to easily find out and delete the virus from your iPhone. Thanks for watching.